Rocky's helping Dad again. And Dad's getting the bracing up for the trusses. It's coming right along. Well, I don't know if he's helping. He's just kind of laying there. Looks like the soffit framing's about done, and then the soffits go in, and then the roof goes on. I'm really liking our trailer. Say hi, Alan. It's gonna be nice, and the roof's gonna be on shortly. And we've been busy putting in reflectix in the RV windows. It's gonna keep the sun out, and that's gonna be nice. Well, time's getting short, gotta go.
October 31st, there's a final wrap around on the roof. You can see that all the rest of it's done. We'll walk around and catch the other side. They started beating all the rain up there. Kind of rained pretty good last night. There's the upper end. That's the soffit over there on the ground. We'll cut it. And it actually slides right up into there. So now she's pretty much watertight. We'll be doing some insulation inside. Got to get some lights in there. We'll insulate the back and cut the back panel, put it up, put the door up, put the lock on it. Keep all the boogeymans out. Well, time's getting short. Gotta go. November 2nd. We're on the final details before we pull out, almost a week late. Getting some of the Thrive products up there. Getting groceries and stuff loaded up there. We'll take the cabinet doors with us and put them on the way down. The shower's all done. Last minute cleanups. Got to screw the lights up so they're in place. Got the hanging rack on the back of the door to put necessities in. I'll be cutting the vinyl siding to put that on next. And same thing with this side. There's a piece of metal. We're gonna make something out of it, but it's time to go. Gotta cut it short. Bye. November 2nd again. There's the top piece, getting ready to cut that piece to go up there. Generator's all in, hooked up, so the generator can power my welder, or it can power the whole trailer, whichever we need. It's set up for 220 or 110. It drove in from the other house, probably 30 miles. It towed just fine. Got an equalizer hitch on it that makes all the difference in the world. What that does is throw the weight, instead of being on the tongue, it throws it back on the tires. So it's a big plus. Gotta go. Time's getting short. Gotta get to work before it gets dark. Bye.